Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today I'll show you how to make Athimathuram ginger turmeric tea. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a saucepan. Into this add 2 cups of water. Keep the flame in medium throughout the process. When the water comes to a boil, add 1 piece of Athimathuram. Let this boil for 2 minutes in medium flame. Athimathuram helps to reduce stress and anxiety, benefits athletic performance, reduces symptoms of some mental health condition, reduces blood sugar levels, reduces inflammation, improves brain function and improves your sleep. After 2 minutes, the water is nicely boiling. To this, add 1 piece of crushed ginger and 1 piece of fresh turmeric crushed. Let this again boil for 2 minutes. Ginger is a very healthy ingredient. It is loaded with antioxidants, fights against chronic diseases, reduces high blood pressure and good for your heart. Fresh turmeric contains bioactive compounds with medicinal properties, natural anti-inflammatory compound, lowers your risk of heart disease, helps to prevent cancer and helps to delay aging and fight age-related chronic diseases. The essence of the ingredients are nicely getting extracted to the water. We're not going to add any sweetening ingredients in this tea today. If you want, you can add half teaspoon of palm sugar candy, but this Athimathuram ginger turmeric tea is going to taste good even without any sweetening ingredient. It's been 2 minutes now and the flavors of the ginger, turmeric and Athimathuram has come together very well. Now off the flame and finally add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Let this rest for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, strain the Athimathuram ginger turmeric tea and serve it nice and hot. You can drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity. So do try this Athimathuram ginger turmeric tea recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.